It is worth mentioning that during these videos you'll notice wavy lines on the Promethean screen. This is not what it looks like in real life, this is just what it looks like because I'm recording this screen. The first page that loads when you switch on the panel, or the OPS, is called the home page. You can interact with all of the items that are on the home page, including the clock, for example, by just tapping and holding on them. In the bottom left corner of the panel, you'll see the app menu icon. If you tap on that, you'll be taken to a few different categories that are housing the apps. Right now, since this is a bare bones Promethean board, we do not have too many apps installed. But you'll notice underneath the media category, you can see that there's a gallery called Impressions. This is where all of your screenshots will be saved. If you continue down to the gear, you can find the settings menu. Within settings, you'll notice a variety of options, including connecting to different Wi-Fi networks, changing the brightness of your screen, changing the date and time, adjusting the wallpaper, all the things that you would find on like a smartphone or an iPad. Just like when you're using an iPhone or an iPad, swipe up on the bottom of the screen to see a different menu that we're going to call the Control Center. From here you have a variety of different options like going back, pressing the circle button to go back home, or pressing the square button to close out of apps. There's also volume controls here as well. When you want to close apps, simply press the square button on this toolbar and then swipe to the left or right just like you would on a phone. The second to last option on this menu allows you to take a screen capture. When this picture is taken, it's saved into the Impressions gallery, and from here you can choose to add that to the whiteboard app and annotate it, or you could even upload it to Google Drive. The next item you'll see on the home page is called the Quick Launcher or Carousel. This is where all of your apps will be housed. That little pink bubble you see on the screen is the toolbar. If you tap on that, you can see that you have a gray button that will allow you to go back to any page you were just on. You'll have the red icon for the home, which will take you back to the home page. The blue icon is for the built-in whiteboard, and the orange icon is for annotating a screenshot. The first time you open the whiteboard app, you will have to accept the terms and conditions, so you can just tap OK. But once you're in, you can see that it's different than when we had training with Promethean last year. Now you have the ability to do multiple points of touch, and you can also use your palm to erase